Why choose between a helicopter and an airplane when you can have the aviation world's clever overachiever, the fully enclosed gyroplane? Imagine a machine that combines the panoramic views and short takeoff capability of a helicopter with the simplicity, efficiency, and lower operating costs of a fixed-wing aircraft. While helicopters seem determined to turn fuel into noise and maintenance bills, and airplanes insist on long runways and perfect timing, the enclosed gyroplane calmly takes the best ideas from both and leaves much of the hassle behind. With its sleek cabin, comfortable seating, and remarkable stability, a modern enclosed gyroplane feels less like an aircraft and more like a flying sports car. It offers excellent visibility, impressive safety characteristics, and a unique flying experience that turns every trip into an adventure. Strap in as we take a closer look at the best fully enclosed gyroplanes, machines that combine comfort, visibility, and pure flying enjoyment in ways many traditional aircraft cannot match. Autogyro Cavalon. The Autogyro Cavalon is a modern two-seat gyroplane designed for comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable recreational and cross-country flying. Developed by the German manufacturer Autogyro, the Cavalon features a fully enclosed cockpit, giving pilots and passengers greater protection from weather while providing a quieter and more refined flight experience than many open cockpit gyroplanes. Its streamlined composite fuselage contributes to aerodynamic efficiency and an attractive appearance. Powered by a Rotax engine, the Cavalon delivers reliable performance, responsive handling, and economical operation. Like other gyroplanes, it uses an unpowered rotor system for lift and an engine-driven propeller for thrust. This design offers excellent stability, short takeoff capability, and strong resistance to aerodynamic stalls, making it appealing to both experienced pilots and those transitioning into gyroplane aviation. The cabin is designed with comfort in mind, featuring side-by-side seating, good visibility, ergonomic controls, and ample storage space for personal belongings. Modern avionics options can also be integrated to enhance navigation and flight awareness. The Cavalon is widely recognized for combining safety, practicality, and comfort in a single aircraft. Its blend of advanced engineering, dependable performance, and user-friendly characteristics has made it one of the most popular enclosed gyroplanes in the world, suitable for leisure flying, touring, and pilot training. Autogyro Calidus. The Autogyro Calidus is a high-performance two-seat gyroplane developed by the German company Autogyro. Designed for recreational flying, touring, and flight training, the Calidus combines modern engineering with a sleek aerodynamic profile that enhances both efficiency and visual appeal. Its semi-enclosed cockpit offers protection from wind and weather while maintaining the open-air flying experience that many gyroplane enthusiasts enjoy. Powered by a reliable Rotax engine, the Calidus delivers responsive handling, strong climb performance, and economical fuel consumption. The aircraft uses a freely rotating rotor system to generate lift and a rear-mounted propeller to provide thrust. This configuration contributes to excellent low-speed handling characteristics and a high level of operational safety. Gyroplanes such as the Calidus are known for their resistance to aerodynamic stalls and stable flight behavior, making them attractive to a wide range of pilots. Modern avionics and navigation systems can be installed to suit individual operational requirements. Widely respected within the gyroplane community, the Calidus is valued for its reliability, maneuverability, comfort, and distinctive design. It remains a popular choice for pilots seeking a capable and enjoyable aircraft for personal aviation adventures. Magni M24 Orion. The Magni M24 Orion is a premium two-seat gyroplane developed by the Italian manufacturer Magni Gyro. Designed for touring, training, and recreational aviation, the M24 Orion combines advanced engineering with a fully enclosed cabin that provides comfort, weather protection, and excellent visibility. Its side-by-side seating arrangement allows pilots and passengers to share the flight experience more naturally, making it a popular choice for cross-country travel and leisure flying. Constructed with a steel airframe and a carbon fiber cabin, the Orion offers a strong yet lightweight structure. Powered by a Rotax engine driving a rear-mounted propeller, the aircraft delivers efficient performance, smooth handling, and dependable operation. Like all gyroplanes, its rotor is not engine-driven in flight, instead generating lift through auto-rotation while the propeller supplies forward thrust. This configuration contributes to stable flight characteristics and a high level of operational safety. The spacious cockpit features dual controls, modern avionics options, cabin heating, and practical baggage compartments, making the aircraft well-suited to longer journeys. The panoramic canopy provides outstanding outward visibility, enhancing both situational awareness and passenger enjoyment. ELA Eclipse EVO. The ELA Eclipse EVO is a premium two-seat gyroplane developed by the Spanish manufacturer ELA Aviación. Designed for pilots seeking high performance, comfort, and modern technology, the Eclipse EVO represents the most advanced version of the Eclipse family. Its streamlined carbon fiber cockpit, enclosed tandem cabin, and refined aerodynamic design give it a distinctive appearance while enhancing efficiency and flight stability. Powered by a Rotax 915 IIS engine producing 140 horsepower, the Eclipse EVO offers strong climb performance, impressive cruise speeds of up to 180 km per hour, and a range of approximately 600 km. Like all gyroplanes, it generates lift through an auto-rotating rotor system while a rear-mounted propeller provides forward thrust. This configuration delivers responsive handling, excellent low-speed characteristics, and a high level of operational safety. The cockpit is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind, featuring premium upholstery, cabin heating, heated seats, storage compartments, and advanced avionics such as the Dynon Skyview HDX flight display. Pilots can also customize colors, interior finishes, and equipment to suit their preferences. Widely regarded as one of the most sophisticated gyroplanes available today, the Eclipse EVO combines speed, luxury, and advanced engineering. Its blend of performance, comfort, and modern design makes it an outstanding choice for touring, recreational flying, and professional gyroplane. Xenon 4. The Xenon 4 is a modern two-seat gyroplane produced by Niki Rotor Aviation, a Polish manufacturer known for developing enclosed rotorcraft for recreational and touring use. The aircraft is designed with a focus on comfort, aerodynamic efficiency, and long-distance capability, placing it among the more refined gyroplane options in its category. The Xenon 4 features a fully enclosed composite cabin with side-by-side seating, offering protection from wind and weather while maintaining wide external visibility through its large canopy. The airframe is built using lightweight composite materials, which help reduce overall weight while maintaining structural strength. This contributes to smooth handling characteristics and efficient cruise performance. Power is typically provided by a Rotax engine, commonly the 912 or 914 series depending on configuration. The rear-mounted pusher propeller works in combination with the freely rotating rotor system, which produces lift through auto-rotation rather than direct engine drive. This arrangement allows for stable low-speed flight, short takeoff distances, and predictable handling in varying conditions. The cockpit is arranged for ease of operation, with dual controls, ergonomic seating, and avionics options that can include digital flight displays and navigation systems. Storage space behind the seats supports light touring use. The Xenon 4 is often selected for private aviation, training, and recreational travel, where enclosed comfort and efficient performance are priorities. Cellier Xenon 2. The Cellier Xenon 2 is a two-seat gyroplane developed by Cellier Aviation, founded by designer Raphael Cellier. Produced in Poland, it was offered both as a factory-built aircraft and as a kit for amateur construction, with production numbers exceeding 100 units during its main production run. The design uses a side-by-side enclosed cockpit built from composite materials, paired with a tricycle landing gear configuration and a rear-mounted pusher engine. A freely rotating main rotor provides lift through auto-rotation, while thrust is supplied by a Rotax piston engine, commonly in the 912 or 914 series depending on variant. This setup supports short takeoff distances, stable low-speed handling, and predictable flight behavior typical of gyroplane operation. Several versions were produced, including the Xenon 2R, R Eco, RT, and Executive, each offering different engine power levels and equipment packages. The Executive variant introduced higher output turbocharged performance and additional cockpit equipment for longer range and enhanced comfort. The cabin layout prioritizes practicality, with side-by-side seating, dual controls, and a wide canopy that improves outward visibility. Storage space behind the seats allows limited baggage capacity for touring flights. Although production of the Xenon 2 has ended, the model remains widely recognized in the gyroplane community for its engineering approach and role in the development of later Xenon series aircraft. Aerocopter AC-20. The Aerocopter AC-20 is a two-seat enclosed gyroplane developed by the Austrian company FD Composites, GmbH. It belongs to a class of rotorcraft that use an unpowered main rotor for lift and a rear-mounted propeller for thrust, producing flight through auto-rotation rather than powered rotation of the rotor. The AC-20 features a carbon fiber monocoque fuselage with smooth aerodynamic shaping, giving it low drag characteristics compared with many tube-frame gyroplanes. The cockpit is arranged in tandem seating, with the rear seats slightly raised to improve forward visibility. A large canopy encloses the cabin, improving comfort in colder or windy conditions while maintaining wide external visibility for situational awareness. Most versions are powered by a Rotax 914 turbocharged engine producing around 115 horsepower. This supports cruise speeds near 190 to 200 km per hour, depending on configuration, with efficient fuel use for its performance class. The rotor system typically spans about 8.5 meters in diameter and operates freely in flight, generating lift as air flows upward through the blades during forward motion. The AC-20 also integrates winglets that contribute to stability, house fuel storage in some configurations, and support the landing gear layout. Handling is responsive at low speeds, with short takeoff capability and strong resistance to aerodynamic stall conditions typical of gyroplane designs. The aircraft was produced in limited numbers before FD Composites ceased operations, but it remains noted for its composite construction approach and performance-oriented design within the enclosed gyroplane segment. Trixie G4-2. The Trixie G4-2 is a two-seat autogyro developed by Trixie Aviation Products, designed for recreational flying, training, and light utility roles. It belongs to the class of gyroplanes that generate lift through an unpowered rotor in auto-rotation, while a rear-mounted engine-driven propeller provides thrust. The aircraft uses a tandem seating arrangement inside a compact enclosed cockpit built from a combination of stainless steel tube structure and carbon fiber panels. This layout gives the pilot a clear forward view while keeping the overall airframe relatively light. The design was introduced around 2011 and was offered as a ready-to-fly aircraft rather than a kit. Power is typically provided by a Rotax 912S engine, with alternative engine options available depending on configuration. The rotor system has a diameter of roughly 8.4 meters and uses a two-blade aluminium construction. This setup supports short takeoff distances, stable low-speed handling, and predictable flight behavior, especially in calm to moderate wind conditions. The landing gear uses a tricycle arrangement, and the aircraft includes enclosed luggage compartments with limited load capacity. Avionics vary by version, with some configurations including glass cockpit systems for navigation and engine monitoring. Variants of the G4-2 include different cabin layouts, such as open or enclosed configurations under related model names like Princess and Liberty. The design served as a base for later Trixie gyroplane developments focused on surveillance and upgraded avionics integration. ELA-10 Eclipse. The ELA-10 Eclipse is a two-seat gyroplane developed by the Spanish manufacturer ELA Aviación. It was designed as a lightweight, open-cockpit rotorcraft intended for recreational flying, flight training, and touring in good weather conditions. Unlike fully enclosed models from the same manufacturer, the ELA-10 Eclipse prioritizes simplicity, direct airflow experience, and reduced structural weight. The aircraft uses a tandem seating layout. The open cockpit is built around a compact tubular steel frame with composite elements, keeping the design straightforward while maintaining structural integrity. This arrangement provides wide outward visibility in all directions, which is useful for situational awareness during low-level flight and training operations. Power is typically supplied by a Rotax 912 series engine mounted in a rear pusher configuration. The engine drives a propeller that provides forward thrust, while the main rotor remains unpowered in flight and generates lift through auto-rotation. This configuration supports short takeoff distances, stable low-speed handling, and predictable flight behavior typical of gyroplanes. The rotor system is mounted on a mast above the fuselage and is designed for efficient auto-rotation across a wide range of airspeeds. The landing gear is a tricycle setup, often fitted with simple suspension for operations on grass or prepared strips. The ELA-10 Eclipse is used mainly for sport flying and basic instruction, valued for its straightforward handling and accessible design within the gyroplane category.